Hey guys, it's Ella and we are here at the Finest Resorts and let's check out our room. Okay, so starting off, you have the bathroom. Look how cool this bathroom is. And there's a rainfall shower. How cool is that? Now, moving on over here, we have the main room of our hotel room. And we have the master bed. And if you move over here, you have like a little desk area along with some other beds. But one of my favorite parts is the mini bar, full of my favorite things. And they're all included, which is awesome. Moving over here is probably my favorite part. We have a pool with a hammock right outside of our hotel door. Look at this! So cool, right? And we also have the bathtub right here. So pretty! And that's it for our hotel room. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!